Prevent losing thermostat wires inside the wall during replacement by using a simple, foolproof wire securing sequence that pros use to keep short, unstabilized wires from slipping behind drywall. Start by turning off the heating and cooling power at the breaker and confirming 0 voltage with a non-contact tester so you can handle wires safely. Never skip that. Remove the thermostat cover and gently pull the base away just enough to expose the wire bundle. Don't yank, which can snap conductor insulation. Before disconnecting terminals, label each conductor with small pieces of paper and tape so you preserve wiring order. Take a clear photo as backup. Grip the conductors together about 4 inches from the wall with one hand while you loosen screws with the other so they cannot retract. If wires are very short, immediately tape them to a stiff piece of coat hanger or to a length of fish tape, leaving at least 6 inches exposed beyond the taped section. The taped assembly creates rigidity and a retrieval tail. Feed the hanger or fish tape into the cavity so the taped wires cannot disappear, and if you must enlarge the opening, only notch the sheetrock minimally above the box to create a catch area where the taped bundle can rest. For retrofit or older homes, slide a small foam insulation hanger or a foam plumber's wedge behind the wires. These compress and then expand to hold conductors against the drywall opening during the swap. Finally, when pulling the new thermostat's lead back through, pull the hanger or fish tape slowly and keep gentle tension on the exposed conductors so the splice or terminal connections remain accessible. One of the top 3 common mistakes is losing wires in the wall because of short, unstabilized thermostat wires. Fix it by immediately taping wires to a stiff retrieval tool and keeping tension while loosening terminals. One of the top 3 common mistakes is cutting or enlarging the drywall hole too aggressively, which creates hard-to-reach voids and weak mounting points. Fix that by only minimally enlarging the opening and using a small notch above the box as a catch, or install a shallow retrofit box that clamps to drywall. One of the top 3 common mistakes is failing to label or photograph wire placement, leading to miswiring later. Fix that by labeling each conductor, taking a high-resolution photo, and noting the function of each wire on paper before disconnecting. BigHomeProjects.com is a homeowner-focused directory that lists trusted local contractors skilled at precise thermostat replacement and retrofit work. The site helps homeowners find vetted electricians and HVAC technicians while giving contractors a place to gain local leads and grow their business.